Hello fam, welcome again to the channel. My name is Emanuela, and on this channel I share legit information on different ways to make money online. And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a Samsung app which you can download to your phone from the Google Play Store, and you make money online by watching ads. This app is developed by Samsung. The amazing thing about this app is that I have been using a Samsung phone for more than a year now, and I actually had this app in my phone, but I never find out how this app functions. Since I'm always focused in looking different ways and doing research on different ways of making money online, I came across this way of making money, and I discovered that I actually had this app in my mobile phone. I decided to go ahead to make this video. And it should be noted that even if you don't have a Samsung phone, you can still download this app from the Google Play Store, and you follow me in this video. I'm just going to pull up my mobile phone right here and walk you through this Samsung app, as well as how to take out your earnings. Make sure you watch the video till the end. And before I go ahead to pull up my phone on this section right here to show you, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure you do so by hitting on that red subscribe button below this video, and also hit the notification bell so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you'll be the first to be notified. Go over to your Google Play Store and you type in Samsung Global Goals. This is the app right here. I'm just going to open, since I already have it in my phone right here. As you can see, this is the app right here. Turn on the lock screen and also agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy of Samsung. Right here is going to open up to the app. As you can see here, you can click on open to view ads. As you can see right here, I have $0, but let's just keep watching. I'm going to start making money. I can earn more with ads by turning on ads right here. As you can see right here, this is the app right here. I'm going to scroll down and you see the different ads which I will need to click to watch in order to make money. So I'm clicking here. This is my profile here. This is $0 and all the like. I'm just going to click on agree to Samsung Global Goals. As you can see right here, I'll click on open here to start watching different ads. So the ads is going to look right here, and I watch it for 15 seconds or for 30 seconds. As you can see, this is the ads right here. I'm going to allow the ad to play for 15 seconds. As you can see, I'll close it right here, and I close up there. As you can see, I have made 0.1 cent dollars. I'm going to turn on more ways to make money by watching ads by clicking on turn on here. I'm going to turn on ads. They say you see more ads from this particular app right here. So I'm just going to go back. As you can see, this is the 0.1 cent that I made earlier. So let's move forward. I'm just going to click on open here, and this ad will play for like 30 seconds. So it's loading right here. As you can see, it's a 30-second ad which is going to play for 30 seconds. Then as you can see, I'll close it right here. After the 30 seconds is over, I'll close it. As you can see, this is 0.1 cent, making 0.2 cent that I have made so far, as you can see on your screen. So I'm just going to continue to watch the ads. Alright, we have seen how you can make money with this app by watching different ads for 15 seconds or for 30 seconds, and you have seen my balance so far. So let's go ahead and cash out the money. Let me show you how to take out the money that you have made on this side. So as you can see, this is $1.02. So how do you take out this money? You take out this money by donating the money that you have made on this side to the UN to fight for different projects, which I'm going to be showing you. There are 17 of them in number. You click on donate. For example, this is how much we have made on the side by watching ads. $1.02 right here. This is the money that you can donate, or you can donate by using your PayPal account or your credit card, or you can ask your friends to also donate. You can donate with your friends. So how do you donate this money? When you click on donate, you can see this is your donation and this is Samsung contribution and this is the total. So you can pick your goal by clicking on pick goal here. The first goal is no poverty. You can donate for no poverty, for zero hunger, for good health and well-being, for quality education, for gender equality, for clean water and sanitation, for affordable and clean energy, for decent work and economic growth, for industry innovation and for infrastructure. You can donate to reduce inequality, sustainable city and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and strong institution, partnerships for the goals. So what am I actually donating this money that I have made on this app? I'm going to select, in my own case, what project am I actually donating to? I'm going to select project or goal number 3, which is all about good health and well-being. Then I click on it. Immediately I click on it. They say you have donated $2.05 US to global goal 3 to help ensure healthy living and promote well-being for people of all ages. So as you can see, this is how much I have actually contributed, which was initially $1.02, which had been doubled by Samsung to make it $2.05, which I have contributed for good health and well-being. So this is how you can actually make money on this site and use. So if you're actually looking for a way of making money online to use the money for yourself, then this app is not actually for you. This app is just for people who want to make money and donate the money to be used for these 17 different UN goals that Samsung usually supports by donating money to these different goals. If you are looking for other ways to make money online by watching ads to take out the money for yourself, you can check this video right here. I'm going to leave this video right here. Just click on it and you follow the video on how to watch ads and you make money online, which you can withdraw it through PayPal, through Bitcoin, through bank transfer, through Western Union. Thanks for watching. I hope this video inspire you and I hope you find value in this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and also go ahead and subscribe to this channel by hitting on that red subscribe button below this video and the notification bell so that anytime a new video drops on this channel, you will be the first to be notified.